Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Late afternoon, not quite evening. It's after 5, so we'll have a drink to you. The lighting this time of day is a bit peculiar, so I'm hiding behind some trees so the sun is not in my eyes. If you take a look up there, you can see some clouds. Yes, it was a clear blue sky today, but some clouds are rolling in and there's threats of rain. The rainwater tanks could use a little bit of a recharge, a little bit of a refresh. Um, but I'm not wild about the road getting wet, or we don't even want to discuss the possibility of any water um, getting down, going down any of the mine shafts and down into the tunnels. If it's just a normal amount of rain, it shouldn't be any problem at all. And it'll fill up the water tanks, the rainwater tanks, which I do collect, and that's the water I drink to add with my little cocktail, as well as shower and do the laundry. Yes, I was underground today. Yes, I found a bit of color. The sky is a bit curious, though. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I just thought I would say thank you very much for your attention, for your business, for your curiosity, and I appreciate it. So thank you. Here's to you. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye.